adventurers, so I'm about to go grab some food here in Colorado Springs and then go to one last stop before I head out over to Telluride. And that's gonna be a long drive, which I'm probably gonna stop somewhere along the way. So I'm gonna make sure that I have one really good meal with a friend before I head out. And yeah, then I'm gonna go over to Rainbow Falls, also known as Graffiti Falls, and I'll show you why after I eat. After that amazing all-you-can-eat brunch, I have a food coma, and it is time to go to my next stop here in Colorado Springs before I hit the road. So we're off to Rainbow Falls. So I'm at a little bit of an impasse. I followed GPS like I was told to, and it told me to go right. I went right, and the road is closed because in Manitou Springs they're doing some construction on the roads. So I stopped and talked to a local, and they told me a different way to go. And that road is closed too now. They're doing some work. So it's very difficult to get where I'm trying to go, and it's too far to just park downtown and hike. So I'm trying to figure out what exactly I need to do. As much as I want to look for this falls all day long, because I think it will be well worth it, I'm kind of starting to think that it might not be in my cards. So I'm gonna try this one last route to check to see if I can get there.
Turn right onto Manitou Avenue.
Yep, that's the directions. And if I can't, then I'm gonna have to just call it
in a quarter mile.
So after 2 sets of failed directions and one that finally worked, I am making my way up this little path right here, up the roadside to Graffiti Falls, Rainbow Falls, whatever you want to call it. It's also marked on the map as Cascade Falls. But yeah, so I'm gonna go check it out. There's spray paint all around this area, and people have kind of made it their own. So this should be very interesting, and I'm really excited about seeing it. There, and this is epic. Like, I'm about to show you something that is super cool. You know that I like art and I like graffiti, and this mixes nature with graffiti, and it's awesome. Graffiti Falls, Rainbow Falls, Cascade Falls, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty awesome. You saw at the end there's some people climbing on the bridge, and that's how all that graffiti gets up there. There are signs posted saying don't do that, but you know, different people like different things. So it's a really cool place and well worth me being a little bit lost. Last stop off was Manitou Springs. Now I'm about to hit the road. We're gonna drive all the way to Telluride. Now I'm probably again gonna stop off somewhere else, but you'll see that tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for joining me today. Remember to click the little red subscribe button below and leave your comments in the box if you like the waterfalls.